Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Many people wonder about moving their old 401k into a Roth IRA, especially at a place like Fidelity. It's a smart strategy for future tax savings. With a Roth, your money grows completely tax-free, and when you take it out in retirement, it's typically all tax-free too. This can be a huge benefit, especially if you expect your income, and thus your tax bracket, to be higher down the road. Before you start, it's crucial to understand a few things. When you convert a traditional pre-tax 401k to a Roth IRA, you'll owe income taxes on that amount in the year of the conversion. So, it's important to be prepared for that tax bill. Also, remember the 5-year rule for Roth IRA withdrawals. You'll need to meet certain conditions for your distributions to be completely tax-free later on. Okay, let's get into the practical steps. First, if you don't already have one, you'll need to open a Roth IRA account with Fidelity. You can usually do this right on their website, navigating to the Open an Account section and selecting Roth IRA. Alternatively, you can always call their customer service, and they'll happily guide you through the setup process, ensuring you choose the right account type for your needs. Now, with your new Fidelity Roth IRA ready, the next step is to initiate the rollover from your old 401k. You'll need to contact your former 401k plan administrator directly for this. Be sure to specifically request a direct rollover of your funds into your new Fidelity Roth IRA. This ensures the money goes straight to Fidelity, avoiding any accidental tax withholding or making it a personal distribution. Fidelity's team can also help provide any necessary forms or guidance for your old plan. Once your funds successfully arrive in your Fidelity Roth IRA, don't forget the final crucial step, investing them. Your money won't automatically grow until you choose specific investments. Be sure to keep meticulous records of this conversion, including any tax forms you receive, like a 1099-R. And finally, if you have any doubts or a large amount is involved, it's always a good idea to chat with a tax professional to ensure you've covered all your bases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.